Take a moment now to settle into a comfortable position. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to try. You don't need to fix yourself. Just be here. This session is a safe space. Nothing will be forced. Nothing will be rushed. Nothing will be relived unless your mind chooses to release it gently. You are in control the entire time. If at any point your mind drifts, that's perfect. If you fall asleep, your subconscious still receives exactly what it needs. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale in, exhale out. With every breath out, you are letting go of the need to hold yourself together. Begin by bringing awareness to your feet. Notice any sensations there: warmth, coolness, or perhaps nothing at all. And now imagine a wave of relaxation starting at the soles of your feet and slowly moving upward. Your feet soften, your ankles relax, your calves release. Every muscle that no longer needs to protect you is allowed to rest. The wave moves into your knees, your thighs, your hips. You may notice a sense of heaviness or lightness. Both are signs that your body feels safe. Your abdomen softens. You are no longer bracing. Your chest loosens. Your shoulders drop. That weight you have been carrying for so long is gently set down. Your arms relax. Your hands unclench. Your fingers release. Your neck softens. Your jaw unlocks. Your tongue rests easily in your mouth. Your forehead smooths. Your eyes relax behind closed lids. And now, your entire body is floating in a state of gentle surrender. Imagine now that you are standing at the top of a beautiful, softly lit staircase. There are 10 steps leading downward. Each step takes you deeper into peace, deeper into healing, deeper into safety. With every number I count, you go deeper. 10. Stepping down. Calm. 9. Releasing tension. 8. Safe and supported. 7. Letting go. 6. Deeper still. 5. Halfway now, drifting. 4. heavy and relaxed. 3. Peaceful. 2. Almost there. 1. Deeply and completely relaxed. At the bottom of the staircase is a quiet inner sanctuary. This place belongs only to you. You find yourself in a place that feels comforting. It may be a beach, a forest, a temple, or simply a warm field of light. Here, nothing can hurt you. In the center of this space is a soft glowing presence. It may appear as light, energy, or a gentle guide. This presence represents your inner wisdom, the part of you that survived. And it says to you, you did the best you could with what you knew at the time. Let those words sink in. You did the best you could with what you knew at the time. You are invited now to gently place any emotional pain you have been carrying into this light. Not to analyze it, not to relive it, just release the weight of it. Heartbreak, betrayal, abandonment, grief, guilt, shame. The light does not judge. It only transforms. You may notice a soft warmth in your chest, a loosening, a quiet relief. Your subconscious understands this truth now. The event is over. The danger has passed. You survived. You are no longer required to replay the pain to stay safe. Your nervous system is learning a new rhythm. With every breath, your body is choosing peace over vigilance. You are gently reclaiming parts of yourself that went numb, that went quiet, that went into survival mode. Say quietly inside, I release what no longer protects me. And notice how your body responds. From this moment forward, your mind remembers you are not broken, you are becoming. You are allowed to trust again. First yourself, then life. Love did not fail you, it taught you. Pain did not define you, it refined you. You are still whole. You are still worthy. You are still lovable. Now you may choose. If you wish to sleep, this healing continues effortlessly. If you wish to awaken later, you will return feeling calm, grounded, and lighter. Every time you listen to this session, the healing deepens. Your subconscious knows exactly what to do. You are safe. You are held. You are healing.